Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to pin chat in line. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not done that, well, do it right now. The process is quite easy. Now let us simply look at how to pin any chat in line. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply go to chat. On the bottom of the screen, right next to home, you can see the chat section. Click on it. And guys, this is it. This is the chat section. Let's simply say I want to pin this chat right here. Simply click and hold on the chat that you wish to pin. Once you do that, it's gonna give you a few options like hide, mute chat, pin chat, and delete. Right now, all we want to do is pin it. So I'm simply gonna click on this button called as pin chat. Click on it. And guys, that is it. As you can see, the chat has been pinned. Well guys, that sums it up. That's how you pin any chat in line. In case you want to unpin it, do the same process. Simply click and hold on it and simply click on unpin chat. Well guys, that is it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.